On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful morning. Pump, dump. Can you say manipulation? Is it water on the knee? Manipulation. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. It's a hump day, so hopefully you get humped today. And if not, we'll get humped by the market or probably a Donald Trump tweet. 3 drives, bearish divergence. Let's jump into the charts, you beautiful, gorgeous Otter people. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Thank you for being here, hanging out. What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to see you guys. Oh, man. Is the bottom in. Pump and dump. This is so... Talk about... Put all one in the chat if this is the most scammiest you've seen price action be in a long time. Holy sh... Sunday pump. Don't trust it. Come back down. Dumpy. High manipulation at the highs. Consolidation. Chop sideways for the whole time. And then pow. It's like Jerome Powell's brother lives here. My God. Got short yesterday, got long yesterday. Currently in no trades right now. Happy days. Happy days. I'm happy to not be in a trade right now. I have taken some swing trades on spot. Put like $5,000 on each. On Sui. Given in the Discord. On Hype. Given in the Discord. Okay. I've added to my hype bags. I added a little bit of aerodrome down here. And then, I mean, what else did we give? We gave ADA. Guys, we can't keep spoon feeding you guys. I mean, the spoon is so big. The spoon is so big. What a bit tensor? Tau? Did we do Tau as well? Tau sounds very Asian. Maybe I gave you guys this in the Asian session. Oh, Ondo looking very good. Ondo flying. Anyways, we're not here for the altcoin setups in the Discord. However, fucking bangers, bro. Anyways. Oh, man. Can I get some spoons in the chat? Yeah. Tau. Let's go. AlexOCrypto. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. 3 drives up here, bearish divergence. We'll see. Ryan Smith, what's going on? Mike, Artur, Fakur, what's going on? Crypto Rob, Andrew Ruiz, Crypto Rob. How you doing, man? The Asian bulls stepped up for us. Are they really bulls though? We'll see. Manipulation. What's going on, Afkus Johnson? Look at the big move up here. This is Bart Simpson all over again, man. Up, down, all around. Bart Simpson, 3 drives. All we're looking for is the SFP, right? 3 drives. Boop. Down we go. The Simpsons. You know? It's crazy. We want constructive price action. This, in my humble opinion, is someone's going to call a cup and handle today. Guarantee it. Oh, I told you about that cup and handle. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool, man. Cool, man. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here and hanging out and smacking up that like button. I don't get likes unless I say smack up that like button. Smack your bitch up. I'm in a good mood this morning. What's going on? Donato Cabrera. Image build share. Hi, Alexo. It's AlexOCrypto. Diamond, what's going on? Cryptoholic. Pat. Alexander G. Sorry about not streaming Asia last night. The wife, the kid. The kid right now is cutting teeth. He's absolutely a pain in the ass, but we love him. Like he's the best, but he's a crybaby right now, and he's been keeping the wife up. He's been getting up at like 11 at night till like 3 in the morning, crying uncontrollably. It's like absolute torture for my wife. So I needed to support her yesterday. So thank you guys for understanding no Asia stream last night. Family first, right? Steve Hickey, Mike Whitty, what's going on? Good to see you. Stephen Farmer, Milan, Mark Gustafson, Donato Cabrera, Michael Paul, what's going on? Shumi? It's just blades. All right. Let's go, Maba. What's going on? Rasmus, Harp. What's going on, Mr. Philly fan? We're going to have some words for, where's French? Is French Toaster here today? Fucking Boston, man. They whooped our ass yesterday. They whooped our ass in hockey yesterday, man. Curtis Hill, Steve Hickey, Piggy Llama. Kelly, what's going on? Jeff Carlson, Steve Hickey, Alan, Isaac, M. Miller, David, Trace, what's going on? Newbie Crypto, Simeon Davis, Async, JR in the house. What's going on, Caveman? Good to see you. Pedro, thank you for being here. Valid Durex. Sounds like a condom brand or something. Sorry. Mihai, Midas, the Golden Touch here. Guy Kempe, Triple. What's going on? Nowak, Massey, TNB, Shep, Stephen Farmer, Pietro. Yeah, manipulation. Yeshua. Trench, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. I listened to your messages. I haven't replied yet. I'll get there, bro. One after the stream. Couple things to help you with that. Yeah, it's painful, scammy as fuck. Okay, French Toaster, you're getting muted for 10 minutes. Your fucking defenseman Zadorov or whatever the fuck Moronov hit Austin Matthews yesterday, knocked him out of the game. That's what you get, Boston fan. I'm not happy with your team right now, bastards. He'll understand. I'll see you in 10 minutes, French Toaster. I'm pissed. Oh, what's going on? LJ, Wayne C. French Toaster will understand. They hurt Austin Matthews last night. Not cool, man. Guy Kempe, Hector, Fabio, Vic, BB Stack. You can hurt him when the Olympics start, okay? Hurt him when the Olympics start. Not right now. We suck right now. We need him. I'm not happy. Chantel, good morning. Progress forward. Albert Stein, what's going on? Good to see you. Would it be okay to ask if you could stream without a shirt one day just to make it feel more natural? Hey, if we were in Australia, mate, I'd be in shorts. I'd be in shorts. I don't even know if I'd have underwear on. Okay, I'd just be naked. But we in Canada, it's called shriveled ink and raisin balls up here, man. It's cold. Looks like a button on a fur coat. Philly Skills, what's going on? Wave Cypher, Farhad, Richard, Mike Whitty. Cutting teeth sounds like listening to... Oh, fuck. I'm swearing a lot already today. What's up, bro? How are you, AlexOCrypto? I'm great. I think my wife got some sleep last night. Let me ask. She said, yeah. Good. That makes me happy. Harp, Offshore, good to see you. JR. Stated, Wanderer, what's going on? Mikey, good to see you guys. French Toaster getting the good old noodle slap. Anybody else a Boston Bruins fan? So I can like happily go Boston? Yeah, let's go Boston. Put Boston in the chat. Let's go. Come on, I'd be glad to hand out your serving of muted. Good morning, Milo. Greer, what's going on? Shepherd, on to Poncho, Tamale, what's going on, guys? Good to see you. Naked and spooning people. In case you didn't know, hockey, being a Leafs fan is like being in the XRP army with your second bag being Ada. If you know, you know. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's more like holding Melania at this point. Don't lie, stated. Oh, man. Thank you for being here. Here is the Leafs history, okay? We haven't won a cup since 1967. Here's being a Toronto Maple Leafs fan. It's a fucking hockey stick, guys. It's down only. It's a rug pull. I don't even, like, I'm seriously considering allowing my son to not be a Leafs fan. I think it'll build character. But I don't even know. I don't think... It's almost torture. It's almost torture. Rolling over here. Small mitigation here. Not really convinced on the continuation of the push here. I'd like to see a sweep down right now. Just a little bit of patience, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Hitting the like button. I know I'm talking a lot of shit already. But we talk shit when we click buttons, man. We had another $6,000 day yesterday. We on fire. We're on fire. It doesn't have to end, but we prepare for it to end. Today, I think I overtraded a little bit yesterday, which is fine. In reflection, I should have taken one short yesterday, and one long. I should have taken one short somewhere in here, doesn't really matter, and then one long somewhere in here, doesn't really matter. But I don't trade like that, so it's hard. It's hard because I'm so zoomed in sometimes. I think when you zoom in, you tend to lose the plot, right? That's why we have macro buy levels and sell levels that really help us be patient. And we'll talk about some of this stuff today in the Discord we'll talk about overtrading and mitigating it, and then just setups and having not to have to trade all the time. Because believe me, your equity curve of making money will very much be a roller coaster if you're overtrading. It'll be like this, even if you're profitable. We want it to be more like this, like the first one. So if we can get it more like this, one, less stressful, man. Trading's not easy. It's hard, especially when you're dealing with position size and risk management and taking losses. And okay, so for me, I'm like 3 to 5 trades a day. I think that's a maximum, right? And you should have it for yourself as well. But let's say you're down $3,000, okay? It's okay to take that for the day. You don't need to make that back in the day. You got 250 trading days a year plus weekends. Okay, there's gonna be lots of days to so-called make this up and not revenge trade, because what happens is if you take this loss here, you're reset. When you reset into the next day, you've slept on it, right? So it's a lot easier to be more level-headed when you take trades. If you're in a $3,000 or whatever $300 loss day, and you're sitting there in that, you're trading emotionally at minimum. You have a little bit of emotion when you're trading, right? You're not, maybe you're not seeing it, but it's another added layer of blinder, right? So it's always important, because it's person versus person, right? It's PvP versus your damn self here. And if you can't manage yourself, you shouldn't be trading. You are a business, right? As a trader, you're a business. You got to treat it as such. He should be an Avalanche fan. I'm not even going to lie. I was an Avalanche fan until I was about 6. I had Avalanche t-shirts. I had a Avalanche hockey jersey. So like my OG favorite team when I was not able to really pick a team, I loved the Avalanche team. Which is ass, because I obviously I grew up in downtown Toronto, so I became a Toronto Leafs fan, and that's just shit. But I have pictures of me as a little kid. Like if there was like AlexOCrypto, the famous hockey player, and you looked at pictures of me as a kid, it was me in an Avalanche t-shirt and in an Avalanche jersey. I don't know what happened, guys. It's stupid. Oilers are a choke, man. Oilers are so bad this year, and they have 2 of the best players in the league. You guys are a choke. Don't even get me started on the Oilers. McDavid shouldn't have signed for cheap. He's gonna regret it. He's eventually gonna become a Leaf. Okay, JR? Get your Montreal Canadiens out of my chat, Massey. You are going on a 1 minute. Sit in the corner. Think about your Montreal Canadiens, bro. Just because your little tykes there, your new blood are playing well. I'm finally outperforming BTC and my day job. Day job is the easy one, yeah. Rangers fan. Oh my God. You've had a couple rough years, man. You didn't even make playoffs. Bork or Wah? Raw. Oh, it was actually a Sakic jersey when I was a kid. Mr. Sakic. What a G. Nice roll over here. Volume picking up here. We have bull div in here. Anybody short? Short. I didn't like this mitigation on 3 minute. Overextended 3 drives. Breaking down now. Break it down now. Trying to lose this low. This is looking good for a short. Now we can look for 1, 2, 3 on the way back up. Okay, we'll see what we get here. This move is shite, man. We could long it back up. SFP on Solana. Order block tap. Good morning, Solana, baby. Solana, break it down now. Nah, I want lower for Solana. I want in here for Solana. Good job on the shorts, everybody. If you are short, wearing short shorts while trading. I think Trench Juice wears jeggings. Jean short shorts while he trades in Australia. Imagine the chafe. How about them Blue Jays? Newbie Crypto, you asked for it too, man. I'm handing them out left, right, and center. Choke team. How am I, Rashad? People are picking on me this morning. Hey, I was under 6, man. Quebecois. I heard the Nordiques are coming back. Jean shorts, pint of Foster's. Yeah, that's the way, man. He only wear French cotton undies. He's got the the pearlies on the beautiful. He wants the sack to be fresh when he's trading, so he doesn't get the FOMO no mo. Solana, you're not gonna do this to me, are you? I bet you Trench got long here. Trench, you get long here? I bet you did, you cheeky bastard. He's probably like, yeah, bro. Oh, French Toaster's back. Fucking Boston fan. Sorry. Boston still sucks, yeah. How you guys do us so dirty last night, French? It's such a dirty game on your guys' end. I'm sorry. So dirty. You like the Mighty Ducks? The Ducks are playing really well. They got this new kid, Calabrini. Did anybody see the McDavid spinorama backhand goal where he broke that guy's ankle? Did anybody see that? Did anybody see that spinorama goal by McDavid? Tell me you saw that. Did anybody see it? This is absolute. He broke this guy's ankles, man.
It definitely.
Yeah, watch this. This is stupid. This guy should not be able to. He should not be allowed to play hockey. Watch this. All right, puck up the boards. Little tap pass. Watch this. He's got the puck here. He does this. He comes in here. He's so fast. He comes in here. He gives a shimmy to the left, and then he goes right spinorama backhand cheese. It's fucking so gangster. Watch this.
McDavid will dust it off. A pirouette, a shot. He scores! What a goal!
My God. Oh, that's so disgusting, man. The defenseman's like... Anyways. Too good. Too good, man. McJesus, man. Good morning, Nonstop V Monitor. He took a shit in the defense's cornflakes. I don't know how I and then just You know how hard that is to do on skates? Ridiculous. I don't know, ball, but that was clean as fuck. It was just so good, right? So good. Too bad his goalie is a piece of Swiss cheese. Rolling over here, chop right now. NASDAQ looks good. Good recovery on the NASDAQ yesterday. My God, look at this thing. Making a higher high, higher low. Continuation out. Still a target down below us. Looking for continuation here. The SPY actually came back in perfect. Guys, we should have traded SPY yesterday. What did I say? Retest this area bounce. Beautiful bounce, continuation up. SPY's looking strong. Solana breaking down here. So for me right now, no trade on Solana. No, looking just because of how aggressive this move is here, guys. That this is definitely needs to be recovered at minimum. Coming into today, ETH had an incredible move, so this is looking actually really good because ETH's got to lead the way for altcoins if we're gonna get a run. But for Bitcoin, 3 drives always concerning. We can do a little top-down analysis, but a little bit of patience here I think is key as we roll over. We've lost this low. Now we should be looking for shorts. No candle close on the 12 or the 15 minute though, so it's still a higher low. So you're splitting hairs here for shorts if you're going to get short, especially after this aggressive move up. We're looking for follow through and continuation here. So we may have to go up first before we go down, is my thinking. How's everybody's trading been lately? Toolbox talk today? A little bit. Yeah, a little bit of toolbox talk. It's always toolbox talk here. I mean, I could show everybody the altcoin setups that we gave in the Discord, and we could make people want to join the Discord. We can dangle the carrot instead of dangle the hockey puck if you want to do that. I'm not a good salesman though. I just show you guys what we do and how we print. Crazy USDT on a daily basis. Not good, not great. Alan, okay. What are you struggling with then? My trading is improving. That's good. Stated got me on sales. We long them up and we short them down. Wave Cipher gave an incredible short on the way down. Did you give a long last night too, Wave Cipher? I bet you did. You're a little gangster with that. Risk management and emotion. Well, that's a good thing. That's the easiest shit to fix, man. Risk management's the easiest thing to fix. You're in the Discord. You have like 3 risk management videos on the must section. So go over to the must section and watch those videos. This is hard. I overtraded yesterday. Yeah, well, overtrading is overtrading, I think, is caused by a short-term mindset in this game, in my opinion. It's caused from you wanting to get rich fast, or you wanting to, you know, your job is not to replace your income here. Your job is to take highly profitable, highly percentage trade setups over and over again with good risk management. Rinse and repeat with strategy. And if you can do that, you have a chance. Until you can't do that, you're never going to have a chance. You have to have setups. You have to have a playbook. You have to understand that you don't need to be in a trade all the time. I'm fucking chilling right now. There's no setup right now. Do I wish I got fucking long here? Absolutely. Absolutely. I wish I got long here. TP1 hit. Is it valid? There's probably a way to justify me getting long here. Right? I said, retest the previous highs. Order block. Is it going to be this order block? Fucking right it was. Who cares? Right? Am I longing here? You're buying the top. Even if it goes up here. You're buying the top. You're not trading a strategy. I do it sometimes as a joke. But I know how to manage my risk in this environment. Okay? And I'm okay with taking $100 loss up here. So it's like risk management is the only thing that you whatever your risk is. Okay? So let's say I want to get long here. We go over to Solana. Okay? We're at Solana here. Let's say I want to enter this trade here. Okay? How do I manage my risk here? Okay? I want to enter right here. I go over here, limit. Okay? I go over here, click this button over here, right? On the right-hand side. I'm going to click this thing in here. It's going to put the price up in here. So I don't have to think too much, right? Because I'm not a good thinker. You can even change this to give it more variance here. You can change it to 0.1 or you can change it to 1. So you have a much deeper entry here. Deeper. Who doesn't like deeper, right? So you can change this to actually accommodate how precise you want to be. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to find out where is my invalidation from my setup. This was my invalidation. I'm going to copy that price. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to put it in my stop loss. So no matter what, this is my low. This is where I'm wrong. This is where I'm entering. Now I can adjust this. And look, it'll tell me down here, right down here, how much money I'm risking to enter this trade. That should be 1% of your account. Okay? So let's say I'm risking whatever. I'm risking $60 here. And I want to enter here. It's $59. Open long. Okay, so now my trade is set. Where's my TP? Up here, right? 3-to-1 risk to reward. If it gets filled, cool, happy days, right? So this invalidation is your invalidation, okay? It's non-negotiable. Look, I'm in the trade now. Oh my God, what am I going to do? I bought the top, right? This is my invalidation. Can this continue upwards? Maybe. Who knows, right? I'm burning money for you, for your education right now, okay? However, you must be able to do this. This is your exchange. If you're a carpenter and you can't swing a damn hammer, get off my job site, right? Okay? If you're a plumber and you can't cut a pipe and you can't wrap a line around a solder, you get off my job, right? If you're whatever, a pianist and you can't play The Lion King, get off my stage, right? So this is your tools. You must be good at using this exchange. If you don't use this exchange, if you don't use my exchange, I don't give a rat's ass. However, if you want to be a profitable trader, you need to be able to manage your risk, take high probability trade setups. But managing your risk is the easiest part of this. Okay? It's the easiest part of it. Where am I wrong? How do I adjust my stop loss to that? Take the trade. Is it a trade setup? Cool. Right? So your job is to participate safely. Your job is to understand when you're wrong. And to be wrong fast, man. It's okay being wrong. You can re-enter. Okay? No kids allowed on Friday, yeah. If you can't wank, get off my chariot. Exactly, you absolute wanking chariot Todja. Okay? How many likes do we got in here? I'm talking too much smack, and I just spent $5. I could have bought a coffee with that $5 and not teach you anything. Only 110 likes. Okay, whatever, guys. I'm not telling you when I entered today. Unemployment data. Became profitable when I took less trades, yeah. You can take lots of trades. They just got to be setups. Community does help. If you want your learning curve to increase and you want to see what other profitable traders are doing, we have an amazing community. 8 traders who are trading setups, signals, lessons. I mean, how many lessons? 135 now? I mean, go through the must videos, what type of trader you are, oscillators, scalp mastery, 3-minute confirmations, jumping on trends and reversals. For new traders, where to start. Starting with 1K, what do I do? Market cipher, up only, rules-based trading, risk management must, how to manage your risk with your exchange. I pretty much just did that. Setting up your key levels, how to do your key levels, how to back test. Oh my God, who would have thought? Strategy with rules, musts in trading, reversals and bottoms, S-tier indicators, going over everything. That's just one category. VWAP, order blocks, And look at all the altcoin trade setup ideas, man. You guys getting just absolutely... I banged through these all on the weekend. You guys were there with me doing it. I mean, you're getting TA from FJ, CVO, Kyle, Brewberry. Oh, Wave Cypher giving you guys the short. I mean, absolute incredible. Look at this short yesterday he gave you guys, man. It was spoiled rotten in here. And you get to talk to me all day long. We get to talk. I love chatting. You Todgers. And open up a ticket. Sorry, I'm clipping. Open up a damn ticket. Open up a ticket and come and tell me about your problems. I'm here for it. I love tickets. Tickets are my favorite thing about my job. It's almost as much as the Boston Bruins. Anyways, don't tell them, bro. Continuation. This looks like continuation to me, guys. Good follow through, good follow through. I should have held that Solana $20 trade. ETH is if ETH doesn't SFP here, you're good. But if ETH SFPs here, you're coming back down to here. If ETH can continue, this is dangerous, in my opinion. But what do I know? I'm just a wanker too on a chariot, hanging out here with you guys. Oh, we just had a guy named Doodoo join the Discord. What's up, Doodoo? Welcome, man. I love your name. It's the shit. I think people get like maybe they get the wrong impression of me on the YouTube that I'm a sarky bastard. But when we do lessons and we work together in the Discord, I'm not a different person. I would say I care more about your profits than your feelings. We'll put it that way. I'm not your friend. I'm here to help you. I'll say shit you don't want to hear. Hopefully. I hope to hold people accountable in the Discord. I want you guys to win. And I know this shit ain't easy, man. If I struggle some days, you definitely gonna struggle. And I'm not saying I'm the best trader in the world. I got things to improve on as well, but it's like I have found something that works, proven over time. Full-time trading for over 2 years now. Okay, replaced my 140 grand a year salary as a carpenter. I crushed that now. Right? I crushed that, but it took time. I want to see if ETH holds this. Breakout, retest, continuation. If it holds this, it's going to be a bullish day, guys. Bitcoin dominance dropping pretty hard here. Yeah, boy. This looks okay. Hey, Auntie. The Kiwis in Australia used to call me Auntie. I was like, what's Auntie? Can you check the NPC chart, like non-playable character, like the Deckard Cain? I've never looked at NPC, man. Deckard Cain, NPC. Who's the best NPC in the world? I think Deckard Cain. Stay a while and listen. The best. If you know, you know. Yeah, exactly. He says shit I don't want to hear all the time. That's it, man. JR used to trade things like useless and grass for a living. Now he's I think he's on the right path. Doo-doo, yeah, his name's Doo-doo. It's the shit, man. Welcome to the family, bro. Get into those must videos now. Or become... Guys, this thing's looking strong, man. Look at this thing. The market's not even open yet. Ethereum, my God. Ethereum to the moon. Guys, altcoin season. I'm kidding. You know what? I gave trade setups. That's all I did. I hope the Discord took some trade setups. We gave hype. Hype's flying. Hype's up 3%. Sui. We gave Sui. Oh my God, look at that entry on Sui. Sui's up 5%. What else did we give, guys? ADA. I think we gave ADA. Look at that entry, guys, for a swing trade. My God. ADA up 4%. What else did we do? Tau. We did Tau. I just go on my alerts here. Near. Celine Dion coin, guys. Look at this. Near's up 5%. Far wherever you are. Oh, look at this. BNB, guys, up 2%. I got receipts if you guys want to see. I got lots of receipts. Ondo. Ondo's up 3%. Anyways, spoon feeding. That's my specialty. Some days, man. Some days you gotta have fun, man. I think I'm talking too much shit today. I'm probably gonna lose subscribers than gain them. We're almost at 18,000. I can't even believe that. Everybody FOMO longed ETH. Oh, man. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, man. God bless you. Thank you for your service. To the moon. Altcoin season starts tomorrow. Perfect, man. I'm ready. I've backed up the truck on a couple of things, so I'm ready. Wait for the night it'll go. That's for sure. Alt season 5.0. Yeah, fuck it. This is the 18th altcoin season call, guys. Clown show. What's dominance look like today? Dominance is falling. I don't necessarily want dominance to fall right now. That says we're gonna have a much weaker altcoin season if we fall here. We called the top in here in the Discord. Now we're consolidating sideways. So this is still in a very aggressive uptrend. So I would like to see these lows lost around 59.5. I would have liked to see this go a little bit higher in here. However, it's good. Hopefully. We can hope. Get your hopium slippers on, my friends. Either way, we got to keep the number one priority is keeping your spot bags separate from your trading bags, okay? I'm here to scalp, take some money out of the market today. I'm not here to make a DCA plan for my spot bags, okay? You guys should be doing that yourselves, or have an execution plan. I tell the Discord what I buy and where I'm buying it, but I'm not your DCA specialist, okay? I'm not your perfect long-term investor. Maybe join the Piper Academy. He's got a DCA strategy thing. It's really good. Maybe we'll just hire him over in our Discord. Who knows? The great merge. We're going to just merge everybody into our Discord and just become the next what was that big channel? It's called Discover Crypto now, isn't it? Yeah, they had everybody on that thing. That was like around the blockchain. That's when I first came around. I didn't listen to them though. Thank God. Not saying anything bad about them. I've met a couple of them in Vegas. Great guys. Kelly Kellum, Druth, love Druth. Great guy as well. Those are the only ones I can really make an opinion on because I've met them and they seem like good people. Druth is he's a tall man. He's a big man. I'm like, hey, Druth, what's going on, bro? My neck hurts. DZ is a boss. Oh, I saw DZ. He never said hello to me. I'm not famous though. I'm not famous. Nobody wanted to say hi to me. Bamboo spoons. Always picture Alex when the spoon feeds me. He does the airplane sound and spins it around the food before it lands in your mouth. I do that for my son. But for you, I would do that too, Dave. I would do that for you, Dave. Put in the master bedroom. Piper saw me, bent down, and gave me a hug. You're hilarious, bro. You took a knee. You took a knee and gave me a hug. Lower. A little lower and a little slower, right, Dave? I'm going to go and get some coffee. Then we'll do top-down analysis. Stop top blasting, Trench Juice. I can see you, bro. I see you. I can feel your energy through the screen. You're top blasting. I'll be back. Coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back all through the town. The DJ on the bus says, top the blast. Just blast the top. The driver on the bus says, Boston sucks all through the town. Miss Rachel is horrible for your child. Don't watch it. Don't let your kid watch screens. Be a parent. Cocoa melon is poison. If you let your kid watch screens before the age of 5, you're a bad parent. Get at me. The only time my kid's allowed to watch TV is when we cut his nails. And he's like this. Like an absolute tard. That's exactly what you're doing. You're microwaving your child's head. That's just my opinion. You go and do your parenting. I'll do mine. If you raise your kid, I think if you raise your kid to like be bored, not play with phones, not be distracted by all this crap, I mean, he's going to dominate when he's older in comparison to these emotional beings that are coming up nowadays. That's just my opinion. Raise your kid. Don't drag it up, as they say. And if I hit you in your feels, you know you're not doing it right. If you're pissed off at me, then cool, man. You can dislike and go watch someone else trade. Maybe you'll learn something. All right, so let's talk about top-down analysis, where we're at, what we're looking at. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 380 people in here, 184 likes. If we get 15 more likes, that'd be really cool, man. I'd appreciate it. Let's take a look. So, Bitcoin, rug pull. Okay, so like really when we're looking at this, what we can see very simply is a couple of things, that we are battling around this very big volume node. If we're about to zoom out, we're battling around this guy right here. So if we go here, we pull this over. Okay, trying to hold on, which is good, right? This is a very big chunk of volume here, so we're trying to hold on to this 105 area, which is a good sign that we have bounced back, even though we got a big dump yesterday. Now, zooming in here, this is still a bear flag, guys. So for me, it's about proof in the pudding. We have a high here that we need to take in order to kind of internally flip bullishly, and then we can look for this, or we can look for this. Okay, if this, then that. Is this sufficient? This bounce here, this is just a very ugly, choppy V-shaped recovery. If we look at this, we can just very simply see that. So we're retesting the previous lows here, and this could continue back down. Okay, it doesn't mean we're out of the woods just yet, because on a shorter term time frame, we have broken structure. So that's still very much a possibility up at the highs here. Just everything's looking really good. When things look good, you should be contrarian to that. You should be thinking, hey, man, everybody sees the same big dildo candle. Okay, they're all like, oh, my God, this thing's going to the moon. I missed the low. We're effed, and then bam, they drop it on your heads. Okay, so always think like that. We do have a very Chernobyl balloon dog now, okay, forming. Okay, so we could do this. Be aware of that. Now, major resistance, acceptance back into our previous range. Okay, so major resistance. Need to see a support and resistance flip very clearly, right? We have some hopium. Okay, the hopium is this. The hopium is the 3 days pushing up looking good. The daily is pushing up looking good. Okay, so the higher term time frames are starting to drag this thing up when they were looking very dismal over here. Okay, so in the past couple days, it's starting to look better. The 12-hour here is indecisive. So I really want to see a decision made by the 12-hour here. This is really going to allow us to see if we want to continue up or if we're going to trigger back down, which would be detrimental to you and my mental health, because I'd have to walk everybody off the edge. Oh my God, we're going to zero. Okay. 8-hour money flow is starting to try and creep up right now. We got a VWAP crossover with a doji engulfing candle. This is a very beautiful setup. if it's going to continue upwards. You can see ramping in the momentum. You can see the VWAP crossover here, and you can see money's undecided. So money can make a decision, and we can get going. So hopium is in the air, right? We can see that we actually did come back and retest this quite perfectly, and we're looking for a breakout retest, right? So this would be our breakout retest continuation trade here, possible, okay? We'll see. Going into the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1, what are we expecting for today? We do have a nice trigger wave here on our 4 hour with bullish divergence, higher lows, lower lows, okay? Continuation out, VWAP crossover pushing to the upside. Very nice move, very overextended, right? What concerns me is all this Bart Simpsoning, okay? So we see Bart Simpson here, we see rounded bottom, Bart Simpson here, then we see Bart Simpson here, okay? So this is just very much shaking everybody out, and we are in a macro bear flag, okay? So if we start to break this down, we could easily be coming for this level that we have down here at 98,000, and this would absolutely fucking destroy the alts. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you, okay? I'm not going to sugarcoat it, okay? Your alts would absolutely poop the bed here, okay? Humble pie would have hair in it, okay? I'm just warning you guys, so that someone who doesn't say that to you, they're lying, okay? Your alts would shit the bed. Bitcoin dominance would rise. You'd be looking at a very longer cycle. So we don't want to see that, right? But can happen, okay? It can happen. Let's just be prepared for it, right? A lot of bullish catalysts coming through in the next couple weeks. Most of the pump in November happens at the end of the month statistically. So we could be looking at some hopium in the next, so what is it? The 12th today, right? So we could be looking for some Thanksgiving turkey pumpage. Not for me to decide if this and that will be reactionary, right? So we did give long setups here on altcoins. It does look pretty good so far, but we're still in muddy waters right now. So chopping the bit, trying to build structure to the upside on a higher term time frame level. The 3 hour pushing up, 2 hour pushing up, then the 1 hour looks nasty to the downside. Okay, this is rolling over. Okay, so this is giving us a warning sign. So the 1 and the 2 hour is something that I do flip between to see, like, okay, the 2 hour looks like it can continue, but is the 1 hour going to slap it in the face, right? So be aware, this is looking like a slap unless it can hold the 0 line here and continue to push up. Money flow is coming back in, so that is looking decent, but let's be aware-ish, not bearish. Not bullish, not bearish, aware-ish, right? Right, Alexandra G? So we got 3 drives up here, break of structure, breakdown, typically Bart Simpson pattern. Okay, so be aware of that. However, if they're going to send it, they're not going to allow people to get into trades. Okay, they're going to just send it. Okay, and send it kind of deal. And we can jump on trend this way very easily. Okay, looking at our key levels and what we're looking at here. So we do have some macro key levels, but really we need to get above this high here. Major resistance up here at 107. Okay, our golden pockets in our face right now. So if we go swing high to swing low, we would go swing high to swing low. We can see our golden pockets right in our face here. Even if we go from this high here, we have tapped it. Okay, so breaking down now, right? Looking for pullbacks into order blocks, sweep of the lows, liquidity level down below here. I actually should lower this a little bit more here. And Fibonacci bounce levels in here alongside with a retest of previous highs. So we have our levels. We're ready. We'll see what price action does today. Hopefully this guy helps you guys, but let's just be prepared. Right now we should be paying ourselves. That's our job as traders. Otherwise you're going to round trip. If you're short from here and you didn't pay yourself, you've lost half your money. If you're long from here and you haven't paid yourself, you might come back down today. So just be aware of that, okay? In this environment, which is always important to identifying environment, narrative, sentiment, all of that, you must be paying yourselves. Otherwise, you're in round trip city and you're not making any money and you're losing money. And that's not why you're here. You're here to make money. You're a business. You want to be profitable. Treat it like so. Treat it seriously. And hopefully we can help you navigate these charts on a daily basis. Thank you guys for being here. 440 people here, 200 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading Asia tonight, hopefully. I think the wife got some sleep, so we should be good to trade Asia tonight. But thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. See, hopium, dumpium, hopium, dumpium. So patience here. Top blasting, not a good idea. Top blasting, resistance, right? Resistance. We'll see. ETH, yeah. ETH retest to previous highs. That's where we want to see the bounce in here. At 35.60. Breakout retest here, flagging out, right? Flagging out here, breakout retest, so something like that. Order block here, possible retest of previous highs, continuation out. Not for me to take right now, just going to try to remain patient, Bitcoin shopping here. The mitigation of the slow here on a shorter term time frame concerns me. This concerns me because we got bearish divergence, mitigation, retest, breakdown. Okay? The thing is that we haven't fully hit my resistance level, so I'm still optimistic that we can still push here a little bit, so no trade right now. Sorry for swearing. Let's get paid. What time tonight? It's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's after I put my son down. I put my son down around 6:30, 7 o'clock my time, which is Mountain Standard Time. So that'd be 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's going on, Wick's wife? Good to see you. Daniel, good morning. Good to see you. Humble pie. Humble pie right now. How would it be for crypto if U.S. attacked Venezuela? I don't know. War is never good, man. War is never good, Jan. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and saying good morning. I see. You're something, Trench, man. I love you, bro. You're something, though. We love having you. Here we go. Here are the trade. He calls me Daddy Otter. My God. Okay. Big dog. Look at this guy. He's top blasting, man. You better have paid yourself, bro. You're top blasting Popcat. Oh my God. Soy Boy Lana. You're up 14 G's? Let's go, bro. My man. God bless you, man. God bless you. Good job, man. What else do you got here? I don't even want it. What is this shit? Get away from that. You're gonna get you're playing with pussy right now. That Popcat's going. Got it. That thing's minging. Get away from it. You can only honestly, Trench, I think I made 12K on Popcat one day, and then the next day I lost 15K. And I never traded it again, bro. Wave Cypher's to blame for that, man. It's all Wave Cypher's fault. He's like, trade Popcat, and like first day in, I slayed the poom. Okay, I destroyed Popcat. Next day, it's like the cat came in, it sprayed on me, it flicked kitty litter in my eye. It was like the cat off a Scary Movie 2, you know. You guys know that cat? Help me, my pussy's gone crazy. That one? Remember that scene, everybody? Ah! Oh, what a movie, man. What a movie. Too good, man. And then it does like the Mike Tyson scene. What's going on, K Diggity, Wick's wife? Good to see you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It was Fart Coin. Oh yeah, it was Fart Coin. I thought it was Popcat. Wave Cypher had me trading them jarred farts, man. You guys are crazy. I can't believe you guys. Jarred farts, man. Trading. I've always wanted to send someone like, I didn't like a jarred fart in the mail, you know? Nothing's funnier than a fart. Let's be real. Like, me and my wife say this all the time. Nothing's funnier than a fart. You know what's the best is when I drop a fart, my son, because he knows very few words, so he mimics noises. So you drop a ripper, right? It goes, and he'll go, like he'll mimic your fart. It's top notch, man. It's so funny. He'll go, so good, man. It's so good. Baby Otter just crushing it, man. So good. It's like you want to force them out on purpose, just so he tries to copy the noise. Welcome to AlexOCrypto, guys. My God. You guys got me off the rails this morning. You guys got me off the rails. Look at ETH. Is ETH retesting the highs? I gave you guys this area. I don't know. ETH's trying to push here. Everything's up like 3-5%. That's good. Anything outlandishly bullish? Arweave looks good. SUSD, that thing's beaten up. Aster up 9%. Did we give an Aster trade setup? We did. Oh my God, look at that, guys. We just missed it, man. We just missed it. I suck, man. Really? I suck. I did give an Aster trade setup. That's an ass tear of a setup, man. He's trying to go again. No trade here. Still waiting, guys. 909, thank you everybody for being here. You guys got me losing subscribers today. That's where we're at. It's a freaky Friday or Wednesday. We all scratched our heads last night, but today the bottom's in, yeah. We need 60 more subscribers. We hit 18,000. That's crazy, man. Have a great day, Melissa. God bless you. Maybe Honor takes after his father. Great sense of humor. I don't know. He's almost 15 months King Future. He's 14 months and a half or something. I don't know how they do the man. Children's ages until he's 2. Children, he's 14 months, 62 days, and 35 seconds old. Like, fucking 1. How 1 is he? I know they trade a lot, guys. I know they change a lot in their first 2 years. my wife gets like all technical with it. He's 14 months, and I'm like, oh, fucking cool, man. That's great. He ain't that special, man. He's a little shoe bag. He's a little boy. He throws his food at dad. Dad is not allowed to hit him anymore. He throws his food at dad. Dad took a noodle right in the face yesterday. Don't be rude, guys. He threw his pasta at me. Hit me right in the forehead. Absolute legend. He's got a good arm. I'll give him that. He's got a wicked arm. Like, kid can throw already. Maybe I'll help out those Blue Jays win a World Series. Yeah, right. One can dream. I just hope he's happy and healthy, man. Happy and healthy. Clean clothes, food in his belly. That's my job. And teach him not to be a bitch. And how to build stuff. I am 370 months years old. Oh, Saphir, that got me, bro. That's good, Saphir. I like that. I'm 35 times 12. I'm 420. Guys, I am in my highest form, guys. I am in my highest form, guys. I am the highest I can ever be. I am in my 420. I'm in my 420. I'm in the Optimus Prime highest state of life. Guys, you can't write that. That is God. If it's odd, it's God, man. You can't write that. I didn't even know the math. Obviously, I don't know the math. Who does that kind of math? I am in the highest state of all beings right now, guys. Let's go. Could I get some otters in the chat for that? Can we spam the gang in the chat? I am in my highest state, man. Damn. No wonder I've been crushing it. Let's go, baby. You're short on Doge. What do you think? It's not probably the best idea. Elon's going to tweet right now, and you're going to get liquidated. You're short on this? What? Why? Well, our first trade setup worked here for Doge. It came back. Ooh, did it get stopped out? Oh, it got stopped out. Doesn't count. I would not short this. This looks good. This looks like jockstrap recovery right here. This is total jockstrap recovery. You're coming into resistance at 18 cents. I'm in my 420 state, guys. I'm going to tell my wife today. I'm going to tell my wife. I'm 420 months. I'm in my highest state today. That's good, man. That's funny. That's too funny. All right. Weird slap down, like grabbing this liquidity. Like today we want this. We want this. This is what we want. Valhalla. We do, like, if we do this, this is sketchy in my opinion. If we push and then flip and then go, sketchy. We want to see some liquidity grabs along here. And then we want to go Valhalla. I think patience here is going to be required. This looks like it's breaking down. Golden pocket here. $786 resistance rollover. Consolidating here. Choppy, choppy. Anchor trigger, trigger. 24. Rolling over. Let's chop at the top right now, guys. To me, it needs to come here. Yeah. We'll see. 104.5 is a big volume support level. So we're in it right now. So we could easily do this here, guys, because we're in massive macro volume right now. Don't forget that, please. I need you guys to remember things like this because I'm on 420 state right now. I sometimes have a bad short-term memory when I'm in my 420th month. There's the apology, 10 memberships. French Toaster, God bless you, man. Thank you for the 10, man. John Crawford, good morning. George, Lurker. Bowley, Lurker. DSV, good to see you, man. How you been? Xander, Lurker. Nabiliano, 69. Dude, why do you put 69 in your name? We're not 4 anymore. Lurker. Waffle cones. Lurker. He's smoking big cones, guys. This guy's rolling like a Century Sam blunt, man. He's cutting the blunt. He's keeping it nice and moist. Oh, man. He's got that Century waffle cone. Big, huge gagger. We call them gaggers. Alec, your name's one letter short of being cool, bro. Lurker. Amp stank. You gotta. Maybe you spilt some bong water on your amp when you're playing your guitar. Robert Jones, good to see you, man. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Condolences for Matthews. Yeah, that's some dirty play, man. Going after our star. Dirty. My kind of cone. Alex in the know. Yeah. Old habits never die young, right, Harp? No problem, BS Legendary. Got a bunch of roller skates for French Toaster in the chat. Let's go, baby. God bless you, bro. What will happen on market open? We'll get volume and a decision. The decision needs to be made here. We're in the hot dog zone. We're chopping the middle. There's volatility here. You don't want to be here caught with your pants down, right? You want to trade the nice buns. So for me right now, there's no trades in here. If anything, you want to see this low taken, or you want to see this flipped with strength, with confluence on the NASDAQ, on the S&P, on Solana, on the rest of them. It's the only reason we should justify getting long up at the highs, right? This is you're buying the top here, guys. Okay. We have Bart Simpson-esque. What has the market been doing all week long, all last week? Shaking out, man. It's shaking bacon, right? It's shaking bacon. Until it's satisfied with the amount of wreckage it's done, it's not going to go up or down. It's going to keep shaking out leveraged traders. That's its job, right? So we need to participate as safe as possible right now. Meaning, waiting. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry we have to wait so long some days. Sometimes there's trade setups like that. Boom, we're in a trade right off the hop. Okay? There really hasn't been. This low would have been the only long that I would have considered so far. And it was still shite. It was good on Solana. I liked it on Solana. Order block. Look at that. If you just follow the etched sketch, guys, you would have been in profits on Solana. Look at that. Anybody take that Solana setup? It amazes me sometimes. You just retest your previous highs, order block, continuation trade, right? Flawless victory. Amazes me sometimes. Price is going to go to the right. 100% chicken, bro. 100%, man. Mom spaghetti. Hey, John Doe was usually a lurker. Good to see you, man. Thank you for usually saying good morning now. Ziva, good morning. Crypto girl. Crypto needs more women. I mean, I think I got like 7% women, which is actually pretty good. Haven't died here. Good. Model 1 distribution to supply. Easy short. Okay. There's a lot of people who like models these days. I mean, they're not dating models, but they got candlestick models. So Model 1, Model 2, PO3, smart money concept. I want to see how smart your money is in your portfolio, in your P&L card. That's what I want to see. Manipulation, distribution, operation. Is it water on the knee? I get it. We called the distribution on Bitcoin. We were aware. We called this back in here as a distribution. And it probably wasn't even a distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Called that. Guess what we called here? Oh, wouldn't that be funny? Wouldn't that be funny? That would be kind of funny. Or you can look at this one, guys. Like, which one are you going to pick? Are you going to pick a team? You guys just all buying AMD stocks. Okay, I can see it too. Doesn't mean you're taking the trade and profitable. I see it. How are you going to enter this, though? Boo, 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 boo. Right? Cool. Glad we cleared the air there. Any yeah, you can have the best models ever. If your mentals are fucked, you're doomed. Yeah, absolutely. You need a strategy first and foremost, and then you can work on the mentality. That's why adding size is the hardest thing, because it's the same trade. It's just you're losing people's paychecks every trade if you think about it that way. I'm a woman and just started learning to trade crypto this month. You have helped me a ton. Thank you for being here. Lakesha? Thank you for being here. Hopefully we can help you on your journey. You talk a lot of shit, but I show you the trades. I take the trades. I'm honest about my P&L. I show you everything. I don't need you to sign up with my affiliate links. I'm just here trying to help. We gave it away for free for like 2 years before we charged anything, and then it just got too busy. That's the thing. Way too busy. I can't give it away for free to like 1,500 people who don't give a shit. I'd rather give it away to 200 people who give a shit, who want to take it seriously. That's why there's a paywall now. What's going on, Django? Good to see you. Good trade last night. We have absolutely pumped the swear jar up today, bro. We are absolutely crushing the swear jar. We've said fuck like so many times. I just want to give the Discord more money. We're on fire today with the swear jar, bro. Like fire. No. That's probably too little. $5 to swear. We're effing killing it. Anyways. Discord likes free money anyway, so we can give that away. I'll probably be at $100 at the end of the week, guys. Just handing out free money. NASDAQ looks top here. Nice retracement back in here. Retested this area. So this has a potential to make a higher low here and continue. I like this here. This is a good block. This is worrisome. However, a nice breakout continuation here. No gaps down below except for this guy down here. I don't know if we come here. Major resistance coming up to. Okay, major resistance for NASDAQ. Inverse head and shoulders, everybody. Big daddy. Inverse head and shoulders here. Okay. Big daddy. Okay, this is no bullshit here. This one is massive. That's Valhalla. Okay, all-time highs. Aware-ish. That's all. Doesn't really concern me the way I trade, but you need to be aware of these things. Sentiment. Yeah, looks like, yeah. Okay, we can throw a horizontal in here at a low level. This is held good too. We'll put that there. So far, so good. 2.5 minutes. Coming down here, double top on Solana. Yeah, it's bullish until we lose that low. This area here looks good. Resistance, guys. Don't come get at me with my support and resistance lines. I mean, anyways. Forming a trigger wave here. This is good. Trigger wave on the 12 minutes. So coming down. Boom. Trigger wave. Bap. That would be great. Something like that. 24. Yeah, still got room to the downside to cool off here. We could cool off until about 12 today. Easily. Rotation down. That would be healthy, though. Like if we could just come down into here and then go. We get something like this. That would be good. 1 hour looks bearish. 2 hour looks decently bullish. 1 hour looks bearish. 2 hour looks decently bullish. Unless we trigger wave down here. VWAP crosses over here. This is going to trigger down. This is going to upset all of you people who are longing the top right now. Hype coming back for a retest right now. Something's rolling over. Market open in 30 seconds. 3 drives, retest, breakdown. Looks pretty obvious for a short on the higher term time frames. No trade right now for me, just chilling. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. We're almost at 18,000 subscribers if you don't mind. Like, subscribe, hang out, talk smack, whatever you're into. Major tariff announcement is expected in the next coming days, says Secretary Besant. How do you say it? Besenti? All right. They're giving $2,000 for all the people making less than $100,000. That's what they said. $2,000. I struggle recognizing triggers. What is the best video for it? We'll talk about it today. We'll do a lesson on market cipher forecasting. That's all it is. We can do a video on it. Remind me today at noon when we do our Discord live stream. We'll do a video. Big gap up here for the S&P. Coming back, humble pie. NASDAQ rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Looking to come back into here. 25,555. 25,555. Okay. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Solana too. ETH Holding these lows, trying to push. Continuation. No trade here. NASDAQ rolling over hard. Big dump for NASDAQ. This is good. This is bullish. We want this for NASDAQ. We want NASDAQ to do its damage early and then recover. Typically, you get an aggressive move off of NASDAQ and then you recover. So we'll see. SFP is the low here on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin rolling over as well. SPY opening up bullish, coming back, filling the gap, which is a good sign as well. If you gap up, you want to fill that gap and you want to continue. Okay, that's how we would like to see it happen, but we'll see. Solana rolling over as well. Bitcoin, Doji, indecisive. Breaking down a little bit here. No trade, still waiting. Still in the hot dog zone, really. Solana SFP losing this low. ETH retesting previous highs. Still trying to hold this area. If this is lost and you get acceptance back into this range, you're coming down here to 3,500. That's just my opinion. NASDAQ rolling over hard. SPY coming back down still. Bitcoin, little bounce. Little bounce, retest, coming back in. Wick test right here. Still no trade. Very choppy this morning, everybody. So I think we try to remain patient in this environment. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. It's weird. Like, market opens and my viewership just, like, skyrockets. It's pretty wild. Until I start saying, like, Asian trading Asian session and I start speaking Chinesey, then everybody leaves again. It's a good filter though. Like, if they can't handle a joke, I really don't want them here. I don't need 2,000 people watching me. That's kind of weird anyways. All right, nice bounce back here on Biddy. Trying to go. Little flag here. The amount of poop I talk is to shake out the weak hands, right? Don't want no weak hands in our community. Yeah, 270 likes today, guys. You guys are on fire. I appreciate it. Are we not in a 4-hour order block? Probably just a sub. Probably. I'm not I'm looking higher. That we're probably in a big block here, but this is my rejection level here. We're just hovering. Got golden pocket liquidity up here. This is order block liquidity. We tapped an order block in here for the bounce. 3 drives, break, retest, rotation down. Right? If this, then that. NASDAQ continuing to rug. Solana working its way down here. Double top. ETH lower. Yep, back into the range. Garbage. Garbage. Do not trade Ethereum, man. So garbage. Rotation. Nice buyback here on the support level. Trying to hold. No trade yet. We're just going to chop here, man. Choppy poppy. Everybody wore a poppy yesterday, right? We all bought poppies, supported our veterans, right? You know it's offensive in the Canadian court system to wear a poppy now? Fucking idiots. What a bunch of losers, man. What a bunch of losers, seriously. The judges aren't going to wear poppies this year because it could offend people. Shut up, you wanker. You're only sitting in that chair with your gavel because of those people. Anyways, don't get me started. Don't get me started, you wankers. Isn't wanker a swear word? Nah. Look at this shit. How gay is this? Judges Rhonda van der Hoek and Jean de Wolf reportedly prohibited court staff from wearing poppies in their Kentville Justice courtrooms. What a bunch of wankers, man. Wankers. Like, oh my God. What's wrong with these sensitive people, man? Get your head out of your ass. What kind of example are you setting for the youth, man? Nice roll over here, guys. Stuff like that just drives me nuts. I can't read it, man. It's like, what? What? How? I bought 10 more poppies just because of it. And I handed them out. Good roll over here, guys. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. GG's. GG's to you guys. SFP right now. Coming into the block. Rotation down for Solana. Ethereum, poop in the bed. NASDAQ. No bounce. Little sweep here on Biddy. Nice pushback on the SPY right here. We're going to have a weird gap here. This is not cool. Weird gap energy, man. NASDAQ trying to bounce. Solana's holding here. Order block retest again. East got this like ascending trend line here trying to hold. Retest to previous lows, continuation down to VWAP. That's what I see right now. No trade. Three, two, 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 two. GG's, everybody. Good job. Nice on the shorts, everybody. Congratulations on your shorts. Don't forget to pay yourselves. This guy's asking for the MPC chart. I don't typically look at altcoins, man. Here to trade. There's lots of crypto YouTubers who will draw lines on your charts for you. I'm not trying to be a douche canoe. I'm just saying, man. This is where I'm working. I'm working here. As weird as that sounds. A little bit lower. I'll look at altcoins when I have time, like if there's no trades to be had, but this is market open. Sorry I didn't look earlier. There's my Canadian apology. Fair value gap, tap. Is NASDAQ bouncing? No, NASDAQ's still rolling over. Still weakness. Enticing buyers here. It's got to be a little bit more vicious than this, guys. You know? You want it to volume. You want volume here. Hanging man engulfing candle, downwards. Downwards. ETH gone. Biddy coming down. Beautiful. Rolling over. Let's go. Let's go a little lower. Tapped our box now. Don't you bounce from here, you namby-pamby. Don't you bounce from here. I'm telling you. Not yet. Not yet. No trade. Handyman. That's me right now. I'm a handyman. I like being a handyman now. Carpenter. I don't even know if I am a carpenter. I would be, if I went back to work, I still got my skills, but like I'd be sore for weeks, man. I'd be a namby-pamby on the job site. I mean, I'd still show up and kick ass and take names, carry plywood all day, no problem. Sign me up. But I choose to click buttons today. Bull flag, no. Your rounded top. Rounded top returns back to where it started. Can you look at gummy? Haven't done one of those in a while. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. 2 unsold. Nice. Good job, bro. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. I like Solana here. It's going to pump from here, guys. It's bull div, trying to push. Overextended to the downside. 12-minute trigger wave. This could be sufficient. This could be sufficient. I'm not taking it. No trades. Always showing you guys the trades. When I take the trades, all the good fun. NASDAQ still rolling over. NASDAQ coming here. Good bounce here. Trying to push. $20 seconds on this candle here. See if it can close above this high here. Looking strong, but I'd like to see proof in the pudding here. This will give us our orb bottom. Yeah, still weak. Still weak. No strength in that move there. Lower. You ain't gonna call tweezer bottom on me. Chop at the top. Retest the previous lows on Solana. Ethereum liquidity still remains. Solana doing something like this right now. Ascending triangle. Solana's favorite pattern, everybody. If you don't know, now you know. Okay. Nice pushback for Biddy here. I just didn't like this candle here. What the 1 minute say? Yeah. Still no trade. No bounce on the NAS. Biddy coming back up, retesting those highs. No follow through here. Still waiting. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Nice rejection. Good patience here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Little hopium push here. I think lower still. Lower still. Yep, Solana, same deal. Same deal. Volatility coming in. Solana says lower. Bitcoin says lower. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful patience there, guys. Beautiful patience. Coming in for VWAP slap. See if we can get a slap and go. No slap and go yet. Trying to hold. I'm long. I thought we were going to get a slap and go there. Stopped out. $300 loss. On to the next one. Into this order block here. Big rollover here, guys. Congratulations on your beautiful... Did I get slippage there? Oh, I got like $200 worth of slippage there. That's nasty. Nasty slippage. Big rollover here. Coming down. Took a stab at the VWAP. Stopped out for $526. My stop was at $300. Look at this slippage, man. $200 slippage. Oh, well. Showing the trades, taking the trades. AlexOCrypto. It's part of the game. Part of the game. Big dump here. Humble pie with hair in it. Humble pie with hair in it, everybody. Damn, Daniel. Nice bounce here. Buy zone bounce possible. No trade yet. Still waiting. Volatility, baby. NASDAQ told the story here, everybody. I re-entered on the box, guys. I'm not going to say that I didn't. Push. Back in the money, guys. Back in the money. I know. Should have said longing the box. Didn't have time to say longing the box. Okay, everybody. We're back in the money. Nice short. Taking the trades, showing the trades, right? I mean, what else do you want from me? Happy days. Stopped out? That's fine. Quick 300 back. All right, on to the next one. GG's in the chat. Red line, green box, bounce. Coming back down. Humble pie for everybody. Mitigated that box. Rotation down now. Quite volatile this morning, everybody. This was our buy level. I mean, pretty good so far. See if we bounce from here. Oh my God, Ethereum, you dirty bird. Down you go. Wild times. Long on Solana. See if Solana can push. Support level. Trying to retest previous lows here. Push. Thank you. Stop loss to entry. Another 145. Pretty much break even for the day so far. Support level. Looking for V-shaped recovery on Solana. Retesting previous lows here. Going to be resistance initially, but could run. We'll leave that one on. We'll see if that runs. If not, whatever. I mean, Solana came down. Nice spike in here. Bounce. A little VWAP contention here for Biddy. We'll see if that wants to continue too. Nice pushback here. VWAP flip. VWAP flip continuation. Possible. Retesting the lows on Solana right now. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. I'm going to take this off right here so that we're pretty much fresh starting. I like a fresh start here. After that slippage. Oof. Okay. GG's in the chat. 130 on Solana coming back down. Okay, VWAP slap continuation down. I was looking for relief. We got a little slap. Three trades today, guys. Down what? $70. Quite volatile. 2 on Bitcoin. Slippage. That was a $300 stop loss, so I'd be up right now. That's part of trading. Okay. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. On to the next one, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Taking the trades. Having fun. We all having fun. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you're sitting on your hands. And put a 4 in the chat if you're having fun. We'd love to know, guys. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Thank you for supporting the channel. 540 people in here hanging out. Kicking ass, taking names. Kicking ass. Whatever you're into, man. Another day, another dollar. That's it. I like the volatility. I welcome volume, guys. I love volume. Nice sweep in here. Coming back. Bart Simpson. Those who got short this morning. GG's. Very. It's hindsight's always. Always 50. 2020, right? We can all say, oh, I should have got short. Yeah, whatever, man. Whatever. Oh man, whatever. I think like most people who come on here and give, you should have done this, you should have done that kind of. I mean, you're watching me, no? That's the thing. I don't want to say that egotistically, but you're here watching me. Like you're having fun, or you're just here to be a douchebag, right? Right. What's going on, FJ? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Two, 4, 24. What's going on, Trade Flag? Good to see you, bro. Another trader in the Discord. My God, we just on fire, man. 1 and 4. Let's go. Look at you guys. NASDAQ still dying? Good. Why? What news do we have now? Donald Trump and us? A Trump in the UK is a fart. Did you guys know that? If you trumped, that's a fart. Stripe just launched on Sui. That's pretty cool. So much bullish news, yet we dump, man. It's crazy. Never seen something like this. Sorry, I'm scrolling through Twitter. I'm not in a trade, guys. No trade. Still no trade. Just chilling here, guys. That Bitcoin, it looks like Wilson, Doesn't it look like Wilson? The volleyball? The Wilson pattern? Wilson! Wilson! Oh, man. Too good. True story. I'm in the UK. Yes, I knew that. Good. Einstein is 50-50. That's the one. Hindsight is 2020. What's the saying, Dave? I like Einstein is 50-50, bro. That's the best way to say it. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show where we make up words as we go. Bitcoin flagging out, trying to push. SFP of the lows, trying to bounce out of this level. Solana trying to get above those lows. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Trigger wave to the upside. Ethereum trying to push back as well. No trade yet. Right at 10 o'clock, everybody leaves my show and goes to Piper's, right? Whose show do these guys go to? You guys are all going to someone else's live show at 10 o'clock. Live. Who are you going to go watch? Okay. Army Piper. Cool. Randy Hipper. Cool. You guys all watching George? 3,000 people watching George, man. George got you guys by the nuts. Blockchain backer. You guys are all watching Nut Pinto right here. Nut Pinto. He's playing games. Mark Coors. What's this guy?
Nvidia flat, downside gap fill. Tesla flat. Palantir flat.
Okay. Trades by Matt. Go watch him if you want to learn how to scalp. This is my hero. This guy. Incredible. If you want to learn how to trade, go watch Matt. I'll send you guys over to Matt today. Wednesday, right? Wednesday's Matt, yeah. Go watch Matt. Matt's great. Good human. Love this guy. No bullshit. Straight up trader. Kicking ass, taking names. Incredible. This thing's coming down, guys. That's where I'm at. Discord, we got a live today. I'll let you guys know what I'm looking for as we continue. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Break-even day pretty much today, so we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Bart Simpson, baby. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. I will see you guys possibly tonight. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building